So here we are at the entrance of my new door. So exciting. And then today the challenge is to put this space together. It is freezing in here. I'm gonna have to close the window. I have all the vents closed because I don't want any mold, although the furnace hasn't been on in many days. But yeah, this is it. It's coming together. So this has not changed, but I have placed my Christmas tree. The top is too high, so I can't straighten it out. So it is, what is that movie? The Grinch, a Grinch Christmas tree. But I have this faux fur that I put down as like my skirt. It's not exactly laying the way I would like, but it kind of creates like a little bit of snow to go with the snow finish of the tree. And this is my room. I am loving waking up and sleeping in here. It's a little sanctuary for me. Okay, here's the big reveal of my office. This is an artwork piece that I am potentially selling, so I have not unpacked it. But if I do, it is actually this large, so I probably will just place it probably on the ground and just do floor leaning for my space. And yes, like I said, I would like a table here, maybe some plants, but this is the finished product of my office. I still need to figure out some organization, and my closet definitely still needs some organization. I just have things on the floor and some storage, but it's all starting to come together. And this is like an old piece of furniture my sister wanted to throw out, and I needed a dresser, so I have taken it on as my dresser. But definitely I want to take some Goo Gone or some natural tape remover to this to remove this from the side. So yes, little projects to come, but it's finally together so I can start focusing on school.